Yeah, yo, Selfie TV, yours truly, Cannabis and friends on the ends right now. And you know what I mean? You know, we just left a party and we just the out on the beach front. And hear me I say, hi ladies, wagwan. Wagwan. Say big up Jamaica. Happy Independence. Say it again, say it again, say it again. Happy Independence Day. Right, so you know Cannabis yours truly and the independent girl them there up on the beach, you see me? So everything bad, you see me? Jamaican style, you see me? So we there go and take some selfie TV. Big up to all Cannabis parties coming up, everything fully up. Say big up Jamaica one more time. Say big up Jamaica. Wake up Jamaica! Alright, that one there for Irie FM. You know Irie FM? Irie FM, wake up Jamaica. Alright, wake up Jamaica, Irie FM. Alright, everything fully up right now because we there still, you see me? And we just go and build our vibes. We just go and be creative and just go and build our vibes and just go and anything God send uno to me. So when you come to God, I just God send you, you see me? So everything fully up. So the church them say big up Jamaica, the girl them say big up Jamaica, the girl them say big up Cannabis, you see me? So everything fully up.